Most of the questions we get about the injection device are about how the patient doesn't feel any pain with this device. You see, the main reason for the pain a patient feels is due to the pressure and the materials being injected into the tissue, and this device controls the pressure. This device has 3 injection modes, slow and pedal, and you can use it for injections like NPETR and PDL. This device has automatic aspiration before injection and pressure feedback. NPETR and PDL use this device. This device has automatic aspiration before injection and pressure feedback. This device has a digital display that shows you the pressure level and your carpool usage on one screen. It is worth noting that this device does not require any special needles or carpools and can be connected to all needles and carpools on the market. The developer of this device is Swiss and it has a 2-year warranty. This device has the ability to distribute mustaches for children, and in 1 hour you can have 150 strokes. As you can see, the heads of this device are made of steel and metal, which gives you this ability to be able to. The autoclave, as you can see, has an incredible ergonomic design that easily allows you to have a comfortable and smooth injection experience. You just need to apply pressure with your hand on the injection head. You can obtain this device from the company Nutrident,